After finding some inspiration, I did some layouts and some first concepts, wrote out a bit of words and some inspiration. Then you can see what I've done here. From that, I picked the safari elephant theme, and this was my first sketch. Pretty detailed, but then I wanted to simplify it and pull it back, and I came up with this sketch here. I did just half a sketch, and I started with this, and this is the one we're going to start with and build it out. So the first thing I'm going to do is go to the top left corner and go to File and go to New. I'm going to just set up our document now. So usually a poster is around A4 or an A3 size. It doesn't really matter, but as long as it's pretty clean. And I'm just going to click this preset here, which is A4, and we're going to leave it on a portrait orientation. And then we're just going to rename this elephant poster, or whatever you want to call it. If you can do any animal, you can use the same sort of style for any type of design or look you're going for. So we're just going to go create. You can leave it on CMYK, which is fine. So now we have our document, and what we're going to do is I'm just going to bring my sketch in from my desktop. So I just took a photo of my phone, and you can see what I did with this sketch is I just did 1/2. So I'm just going to scale this down. So because it's a monoline poster and both sides are similar or pretty much the same, as you can see here, it cuts down the design time, and it makes you allow you to spend more time on the little details and adding things you want. So you can see all you have to do is one side, and in Illustrator you can actually just copy it across onto the other side, which is going to make it save some time and make it look cool. So what we're going to do is start making some guides. So what we're going to do is just scale the sketch or the image, even if you scanned it in, doesn't matter, and try and get it to a decent size, not too big, until you're feeling it's all right. And then we're going to go to our layers panel. So if you go to window and then you go down to layers in the middle here, if you click that, you'll get a layer up. What I'm going to do is I'm going to double click on this, and I'm going to call it sketch. And what we're going to do is we're going to lock this layer. You can just press the layer by clicking the little lock there. And what I'm going to do is press new layer on the bottom right here, and I'm just going to go to the layer and now go to we're going to call this guides. So it's good to create guides so we can use that in our illustration. So when we're doing the poster, we can line things up, so when we reflect it and copy it, then it's going to be exactly where we need the strokes to be. So I'm going to start off by just using pressing Control or Command R, and you get your rulers up, and then we can start just dragging these rulers. So if you just drag it down, or for the left side, left click and drag, we can drag these rulers in. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to select them. To unlock them, you can just go to View up the top corner, go down to Guides, and go Unlock Guides, as you can see here. So now we can select these guides, and you see it's going red. What I'm going to do, I'm going to select it, go up the top, you can corner, and you can see these align tools, and just click the middle center. So horizontal, align, select this one, and do vertical line. So now we directly know that these are in the center. So this is the center of the piece, which is awesome. So now what I'm going to do, I'm also going to make some guides for this box. So if you press M from the rectangle tool, I'm just going to hold Alt. I'm going to drag this out like that. It doesn't matter if the sketch doesn't line up, because we can fix the design to the guides. So you can see now we have this shape, but what we want to do is turn it into a guide. So the shortcut for that is Command 5 or Control 5 if you're on Windows. And you can see now it turned our rectangle into a guide. So now we can use this as a guide. You can also select the guide and go to Object, Path, Offset Path, go to Preview. And what we're going to do now, I'm just going to scroll with my mouse and just make that a little bit in. So maybe 20 points is fine. And you can leave it on meter and press OK. So now we've got this guide here. And if you might have to select it and press Control or Command 5 to create a guide. So now we've got these two guides there, and it will help us with our box, or our border, if you will. So now we've got these guides, and we know it's the same on the outside. And you just want to make sure that these are centered as well. And if you ever have to go back to the sketch, you can just go unlock the layer and move the sketch as well. Or you can always just make it smaller or edit it.